The Ferrari Atelier is known for adorning Maranello's lineup with exclusive eye-catching liveries, and its latest creation brings a certain level of nostalgia, particularly among millennials. It's a special edition of the 296 GTB Assetto Fiorano, set to be produced in a limited run of just 5 units, paying homage to Scuderia Ferrari's triumphant performance at the 2004 Hungarian Grand Prix. The F2004's 1-2 victory at the Hungaroring with drivers Michael Schumacher and Rubens Barrichello at the helm marked a significant moment. This victory allowed Ferrari to clinch its 6th consecutive Constructors' World Championship, rendering it worthy of a special tribute. In the grand scheme of things, the F2004 stands as one of Ferrari's most triumphant F1 single-seaters, notching up an impressive 15 wins and a total of 30 podium finishes across 20 races. Drawing inspiration from the illustrious history of the iconic F1 race car, Ferrari Atelier designers created a simple but gorgeous configuration for the 296 GTB. The beautiful livery combines the 3-layer metallic Rosso F1 shade with Bianco King white accents. You can spot the latter on the bumper intakes, roof, side sills, and rear fascia. As for the number 1 gracing the bonnet, it harks back to the era when Scuderia Ferrari reigned supreme in Formula One. The special edition is based on the 296 GTB with the track-focused Assetto Fiorano package. This explains the carbon fiber splitter, the set of Multimatic shock absorbers derived from GT Racing, the optional carbon fiber wheel shod and Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and the 4-point safety harnesses inside the cabin. Furthermore, the outline of the Hungaroring track and the Hungarian flag are stitched on the headrests, combined with self-explanatory side sills made of carbon fiber. There are no changes to the electrified powertrain, which comprises a mid-mounted twin-turbo 2.9-liter V6 and an electric motor. Not that the supercar needed a power upgrade, as the combined output is 819 horsepower of power and 546 lb-ft of torque. The first of the 5 Ferrari 296 GTB Assetto Fiorano Hungaroring Special Editions was unveiled in Budapest, Hungary's capital. Although the company didn't reveal pricing, they did announce that all 5 units have been sold to Hungarian customers.